we are very happy to be here in the Barangay Magsaysay, Siniloan, Laguna.
This is my first time to join.
This is my second year.
This is my first year with the Honda Foundation Inc. activities.
We aim to achieve a higher survival rate for our trees. We would like to increase awareness in this community to help protect this beautiful Sierra Madre Mountains by installing safety signs.
So ito pong site na ito ay tinaniman ng various species ng fruit-bearing trees along with indigenous species kung saan yearly po ay mini-maintain and nire-replant ng Honda Foundation Incorporated.
Today is a perfect day for the tree planting.
Bilang first-timer, masaya siya although nakakapagod since mataas yung trek na dinaanan namin. Pero nag-enjoy naman ako.
Since second time na po, familiar yung area and may mga areas na nakita ko na yun yung tinaniman namin last year. So nakakatuwa din na yung tinanim namin before nandito pa rin. Nakakatulong pa rin ako dun sa pagtatanim na ngayong taon naman gagawin.
For our children!
For me, today is a very good opportunity to plant a tree for the next generation of our kids.
Yun po isang malaking opportunity po para hindi lang po sa aming mga magulang, kundi pati pa mga anak at aabutin pa ng apo.
Honda Foundation Inc. is the corporate social responsibility arm of Honda companies in the Philippines, namely Honda Philippines Inc., Honda Cars Philippines Inc., Honda Trading Philippines EcoZone Corp., and Honda Logistics Philippines Inc. For more than 30 years, Honda Foundation continues to support the society through its 4 core pillars. First is the education for the youth. Second, community empowerment. Third, promotion of road safety. And fourth, environment protection and preservation.
So I hope that this morning will be fruitful to everyone. So I hope that some of the trees you planted will say hi to you out there. Mabuhay po ang Honda. God bless Siniloan.
Nandito tayo sa actual site and nagbibigay ng support dun sa local communities para mabilis yung recovery.
Beneficial itong activity na to, especially for the environment, since madalas ang bagyo at baha sa syudad.
Sana makatulong ito dun sa progress ng environmental program.
With this activity, mas mapipigilan yung pagbaha at mas mababawasan yung mga bahay na malulubog sa baha.
So yung mga puno, sana makatulong na ma-protect yung local community natin. And syempre yung environment, since yun yung nagbibigay rin ng buhay dito sa community.
And we have planted 14,000 fruit-bearing trees, and we are taking care of 28 hectares of land in the Sierra Madre Mountains. And the Honda Foundation Inc. Supports our Honda Global's goal of zero carbon by 2050.